Channel don't know one burger J outside, no, man. Did I? It's about me and mold, you know? Yeah, man, a different design. You see that? Yeah, man, so I go on. But I wax it already, you know. So, as you guys can see, yeah, man, this is the wax, you know. Or use, yeah, man, wax the boat. So, I go wax it first. And then I want to get a thin layer of fiber. I leave it over there, you know. Yeah, man, me and Young Champs TV outside, you know, man.
Yeah, man, Young Champs
TV, and my viewers and
deeps.
subscribers. We're there, you know. I'm all about I feel the boat still. But, so that I go and bounce, I go and right now, you know, guys. Yeah, man, me and Young Champs TV, they are putting some work. Big up on yourself, guys. And my viewers and subscribers, I want to bring on the guys with me, you know. You know, the work, want to come go help me work, so I don't have to do. For me, you know, I don't know if I want to watch the video, like up the video, share up the video. Yeah, man, that's a phone work, you know. So come, take a chair, get in the popcorn and the drinks. Yeah, man, and come sit down and watch what I go on. Because me and I work together today. So, I'm going to finish wax out the boat. Yeah, man, and then afterwards, I put in a layer of fiber in there today and start the process of the work. You get me, I say? Yeah, man, so please remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that post notification bell so the video drop and get them. We're outside. One Burger J and big up Young Champs TV.
That is it, man.
Go outside. Yeah, guys, as you can see, yeah, man, I get some more wax, you know. All the part I never wax, I finish wax them out, you know. So now, guys, just go and watch what I go on, you know. Remember, the phone work, I just comment, like, share, subscribe, you know. Get on drinks on the popcorn. And get yourself in order, because remember, so the work, yeah. I go be the bomber. Yeah, man. 2026 a full year now.
Yeah, man.
You get the message, guys? Yeah, man. Brand new boat. I come out of mall. No mistake with that I make.
Believe no, man. Yeah, man, people, just remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Yeah, man, a lot of epic content coming your way, you know, guys.
And when the boat are done, oh, that's the man, fish are dead.
That time motto, man.
Like one big. The dream, this now, guys. It's the dream. Young Champs, you know. One is one boat. So,
Man, that is it, man.
come out there and get a mold for use. I'm say, yeah, man, we jump in at the same time. Yeah, man. Get the thing done the right way. So the same thing set now, guys. Each one help one, you know. If you can help a man, you better teach a man to fish. But don't catch a fish game every day. If you catch a fish game every day, more depend on you. I wouldn't want that.
Teaching me fishing, you can't hungry neither, you know.
If you're hungry, you can't take care of your family.
Yeah, man, I see you when you so.
See me, so guys. So there, I'm going to put in some work, you know. Yeah, man, so those guys just watch what I'm going, you know.
Man, people, so just watch what I go on, people. Stay tuned.
That's what I'm going. Yeah, man, it says at the portal, this make a boat come out, no stick, and come out fast, you know. Yeah, man, so we're there with Dandy this morning. Yeah, man, Dandy is off easy. And I do the more work till him forward, so see him there. Yeah, man. And they go rubbing look like me. Show me what I go on, you know. At the first, maybe I build this way, you know, guys.
Can do the next side, you know.
Yeah, man.
Next side I can use, but I'm thinking about the next side.
At first, maybe I build this way. So that is it, you know, guys. So first, maybe I build the way, you know. Now I put it at the split mode I got to. I just easy take it off. Yeah, man, come out smooth, you know.
It's come like a plastic when it dry.
Okay. So come like a plastic when it dry. Alright. Well, the more you grow now, and the more you learn. So that's the thing there. Stick and stay, guys, and watch what I go on, you know. Yeah, man, we'll dip on it again this morning now. This, I get the boat to come out very easy out of the mold, you know, without the mold damage. So many more boat can build night, you know, guys. And I tell you, the mold are older than me. You understand? So no one destroy this proper mold older than me right now, guys. I just want to watch what I go on.
Talk to the people and let them know what I go on.
Yeah, guys, so they have painting the acetone in the boat.
No, acetone is flood.
You
Portal.
A portal. Oh,
Yeah.
so I'm making a mistake again. A portal. Yeah, man, something like plastic, you know, guys. When it dry, yeah, man, make the boat come out smooth. Right now, paint it, you make it dry before we start put on the material, you know. That is it. Done deal, eh? You know, far that man come from, we are foreign, you know, guys. Yeah, man, he's on vacation and he's flying just to come help with to the boat, you know. Because I'm there the more them first I use. Yeah, man. When I will there, you know, we teach you fishing too. So, that's the thing, man. Flying just to come make the boat go right. Because you see me, they wax it the other day. Yeah, man, him said I'm going no further. I'm going to come with me. I'm going to see up. So, right now, as you can see, we're there. I put in the portal. And when I want to dry, guys, we'll give it one more coat, you know. Afterwards, we start the fiberglass work. So stick on stay.
Wait until it dry, like just
Watch what go on, guys.
put it on the same way, you know?
That be on the same way?
Yeah, man. Wait until it dry.
Wow.
Yeah, man, the people, so. Still
Guys,
paint
that's
up.
what go on. Well paint up, you know. So right now, him say we can put on start put on the fiberglass work. After. Make it cool a little bit first. Afterwards. Yeah, man, so we'll throw back this. Yeah, man, so we're going some left. We'll throw back the rest on the back up. So for our next boat again, we are going to use. I know them things are very expensive, you know. 18,000 a back up. For this, you know, guys. That height, you know. You have to preserve and see everything them because them expensive. Nothing for boat, nothing for fishing. Our boat work down cheap. Our engine alone, a little engine 15, 400,000, 300,000, you know, guys. So we have to preserve and save, you know. Yeah, man, that is it, man. Just still want to stick and stay. Watch what I go on. Ready now, we are going to measure some of my material. We are going inside the boat right now, you know. You want some right now. So I find material, we are cut and put it in the boat, you know. Yeah, man. Right now. As I said, we can't make Dandy waste playing fair because I'm there already. Flying for come make the boat the right way. So, you must show you guys what I go on, you know. Yeah. So we do one side first and then we do the other side, you know. Yeah, man, that is it, man. So we're going to stick and stay. Watch what I go on. It's a beautiful day today, you know. Very beautiful by the seaside, you know. That is it, man. Uncle Chip, you know, man. Rod fishing Jamaica. Yeah, man. Check in the building, you know. Big up yourself, my father. But there, man.
Yeah, man, there, man.
Alright. I said, guys, Dandy show me two tactics, you know. I never understand. Because you know, the more we grow, the more we learn, you know. Life with camera, check in there too. Yeah, man. Big up yourself, man. I ask, man.
One part is so.
Yeah.
Bar of God.
Which is right, you know. One bar of God. JA, fully active.
How deep are they going to come here and say, yo,
100 feet, man. 120.
people, watch out. This my dive, call and my dive past compressor, man. You know one time when you the drone down there, so they might dive with tank. The people them want I try to recover my body and find him. They might dive a good down. And Patches dive past the man them with the tank. And I know, and not only that, I call them and say, wanna come.
Yeah, but they never for them catching cod, man. Rough man, I will ask man.
Here you go, man. Yeah, man, remember, like up the video, share up the video. One Partridge. Original name now, Bar of God.
Yeah, man, we go outside, you know. Yeah, man, Young Champ TV. Young Champion TV. One Young Champion TV. Yeah, man, alright. Put in work, you know. That is it, Chip. We go outside. Believe. Yeah, man. Work I put in today. I know look after that as I want to drop in, guys. One more boat and more, you know. So you can just go on easy. Watch what I go on, you know. That is it, man. Scissors are cut, you know, guys. Yeah, man, I'm cut hard, man. That is it, you know. So, boss, you have a 3 feet. So, stronger, man. Stronger the way when I boss you have a 3 feet, you know. Normally, you know, I boss like maybe have a 5 feet or so, because 3 board long. We stretch you out. So, you say 3 feet easier for angle. So, that's the work we do, you say. I know I'm a professional. I'm glad him flying. Yeah, guys, I'm glad him flying if you come assist me, you know, the right way. So, I can't go wrong. Proper boat, proper material, you know. Big up yourself, man. One dandy. From foreign to yard, you know. Yeah, man, the man are the great fisherman, boy, you know. Him still do it, no and then still. Guys, so we have got the course one now. Yeah. Okay, you know the course and the fine have to go together. That is it. Yeah, man. It's like course material. That's the fine, you know. And this is the strength of the boat, you know. Without this, you're not on a boat. You have a bow. Not boat, you know.
All that stranded.
It's strand important, man. That's my man.
Yeah, man, all of them have to use what Nike.
No, very important, man. Strength of the boat, man. Took too much one time, Andy.
That's straight.
Hey guys, I want to catch a tactics, sir. What am I going to do? Watch it. Watch him, guys. Watch him. You see that is so fast you go? You're missing. If you not look good enough, catch one there, guys. You want him just jaw too strong and everything missing, you know? Gone. Yeah, man, so just go and stick and stay. Go and watch what I go on, you know? Work a put in. Whole tactics and trading, you have to just learn the thing right way.
Go to end up cut the course.
Which is right way. Start right now, all material done cut up. So I'm sure you guys what I go on, you know? Yeah, man, see the material done cut up already. We have about 10 pieces of course we cut up here right now. And some more we cut up. That are fine, you know? Alright, roller. They I use, yeah, man. Remember this is the brush. Roller this, no?
Yeah, big brush, you know? Big roller.
Big roller. Tell them that they buy still. Yeah, man, so this is how I go on, guys, you know? Yeah, man, liquid a shake up, you know? Man, this is the hard now. Yeah? Alright, guys, watch what I go on. Yeah, when I first start that.
Fish back stick, alright. Put it down. Rough up.
Alright, so 2 caulking of that. One guys are coming like a fire right now, you know. Mix it up, you know. And then we're gonna start put on the material. So you guys will stick and stay and watch what I go on, you know.
Time cool, man. If time, no, you can't use less, but the time cool. So this is enough. Hard night.
Okay. Yeah, man, I build boat already now, guys, but I'm going to show me different tactics today, so. Film class me there today, so I watch and see and learn, you know. Yeah, man, so. And me and him at work today. I make sure say I take in a lesson when I teach me. Because through me used to the split mold, we have two sides with a car with another mold them together and screw them up. And then afterwards when the boat come out to take it out. But this boat now is a seal mold. So that's the really thing now. He must show me a different tactics. So when I come out now, water I got to take out the mold out of it. Water out of the boat out of the mold. When you put the water on the side it just pop and float out, you know. Watch what I go on right now. Yeah man, painting the liquid in there now guys. So when you do it like this now, it better. More better for the material when it go down. When it go on it, you know. No mistake. Yeah, man, so now guys just stick and stay. Watch what I go on.
And guys, so this is the starting process.
I go on one brush.
Yeah man.
No, one brush.
Brush there.
So my PNT, you know, fiberglass liquid. And the liquid here, how long? Because you're not supposed to can spoil.
The liquid?
Yeah.
No man, once it's a cool place,
Nah, spoil.
no, spoil. You have to have it.
Mm-hmm.
The rest of it in a jump.
Oh,
When in a plastic thing, it will gel up on it.
like it hard.
Yeah.
That's what I go on.
Man, I have to go on, man.
Sandy, all the kilos are going on.
Have a sink it, man. Oh, just wait to use the brush and sink it.
Yeah man, that's an awesome.
The people, so they are putting in work.
Come right
Putting in
down.
work, guys.
Sink it come right down. Sink it come down.
Yeah, guys, that is it, you know, man. The work begin. Just want to know, guys, like, comment, share, subscribe, you know.
Mask still, but
You know if you have on the mask, no, but
breeze up blow. For the outside. For indoors now we are doing.
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
different,
yeah.
you know.
Yeah.
You know, for you know, guys, never see what boat building now, so I'm glad I'm there for the adventure right now. And that's what I go on.
Gotta take us down iron the road actually. Iron the road and now then check out the bubbles.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, we have that.
Yeah,
We
man.
have that.
Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
man, we have some, man. That there, man.
So I can't screw down like that.
So yeah, man, people, the work still going, eh? Yeah, man, brother got there same way.
Again.
See? Turn it over. Turn it over. Yeah, usually turn it apart, yeah? The part of the less far.
Yeah.
The turn it down. Turn the part of the fur down. Come. You pull up on this cord.
Want to go? I'll go one more?
No, right aside. Right aside.
Alright, then.
Go along with that. So.
You gotta make him put on film piece first. And afterwards, now, we start with the keel, you know?
Yeah.
Remember, guys, before it float out, too fine, one course. So it's going easy. We're going to do it little by little, stage by stage. Come on, until we finish, you know? You might look at nothing at all and go upon it, you know, what you're trying to believe when you finish. How it look, you know?
next piece we're going on, you know, take so much liquid, you know.
Yeah.
No, okay, wet already.
Already wet, you know.
Yeah.
First set we're going. Lot of liquid.
Excellent job going on there.
Believe me, man.
Always sink it from you. You can't even sink it before you wet it.
Alright, boss.
Yeah, man.
Brush and sink this, you know.
Easy brush and sink all the piece, huh? Back in the key, you know? And so they're on the side. So stick and stay. Watch what go on now, guys. Yeah, man, the boat just start. When you guys can't believe when you see it done, when the boat is done, man. Can't believe. Guys, that's what I want.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, the work I put in. One, guys understand the boat making. And a joke thing, you know? Rough work. Sorry for them, father. Sorry for them.
Yes, work
Okay, guys, that's what I want. Yeah, I'm still there for it, you know? Yeah, more the key, you know? Most important part of the boat. Without the key, the boat can't balance, you know? So, make sure them part are more good. A dandy, they're on the side, you know? There you go, man. The outside, you know. Most important part of the work, you know, man. Most important part of the work is the liquid. But liquid the work can't go. Yeah, guys, that's what I go on. Yeah, man, the sun get wicked pan winner, so we have to use tarpaulin to ease the sun, because the sun and the liquid and the giant work together, you know. Quick time, the liquid get hard up, you know. I fought my father. Yes, guys. Yeah, man, I fought, man. I asked someone. Right, so I go on now. Alright. Think I go good, man. I can pass, man. I not drop it off, man. Next part I put on now, guys. Man, in good, man.